Starting an LLC in Chicago sounds exciting until you hit the red tape. Confusing forms, legal jargon, and hidden fees can turn your launch into a headache. But if you get it right, you'll have a fully legal, protected business in one of the best startup cities in the United States without wasting time or money. So let me walk you through exactly how to do it step by step in this video so that you don't mess things up. But first, did you know that there's one mistake in your LLC name that could get your entire application rejected? We'll get to how you can avoid that mistake here in a second. But first, let's discuss why Chicago is actually a really good place for an LLC. Starting your LLC in Chicago puts you at the center of a booming business scene that's both diverse and welcoming to newcomers. The city is ranked 15th globally for its startup ecosystem, and it's home to more than 1,600 active startups, and its tech sector is on track to generate over $20 billion in regional economic impact over the next decade. Cost of living runs about 37% less than San Francisco, so your money and your business go further here. Plus, setting up an LLC, it protects your personal finances, so if something does go wrong, your home and savings, they stay safe. Now, if you're looking for hands-on support, Chicago also has a wealth of free resources for new entrepreneurs ready to help you launch with confidence. Let's figure out how to choose the right name for your Chicago LLC, which is the first and often trickiest step in the process. But before we jump in too deep here, here's one thing to keep in mind. So starting your business, it should be exciting, not overwhelming. But forming an LLC on your own, that can get really confusing fast with all the legal forms, rules, and easy to miss details. Now, I will walk you through everything in this video here, but if any part of this feels confusing, I've got a favorite LLC formation service that makes the whole process super simple and stress-free. It's guided, beginner-friendly, and it only costs $39. So if you hit any bumps along the way in this video, just go ahead and click right up here to get step-by-step help setting up your LLC the easy way. That all said, let's go ahead and jump right back into naming your Chicago LLC. Picking the right name for your Chicago LLC sounds simple, but can actually be a make or break moment. The name must be completely unique, meaning that it can't match or closely resemble any existing business that's already registered in Illinois. And it has to include limited liability company or LLC at the end of it. And forget about switching punctuation or adding the to skirt the rules. The Secretary of State won't allow it. And certain words like bank, insurance, or anything that's kind of suggesting a government agency, they are also off limits unless you're properly licensed. And once you figure one out, you want to check that your name is available by searching on the Illinois Secretary of State website, which is, by the way, linked to below, along with every other resource that's included in this video. And here's a tip. If you land on a name but aren't quite ready to file all the paperwork, you can reserve it for 90 days by paying a small fee to the state. That way, nobody else can scoop it up while you finalize your plans and finish all the other paperwork. So once you've got that perfect, legally compliant name, one that really fits your brand and stands out in Chicago's crowded market, you're officially ready for the next step. So up next, let's talk about the registered agent and why having one in Chicago matters more than most new owners realize. Every Chicago LLC needs a registered agent, which is a real person or service with a physical Illinois address who is always available during business hours to receive things like lawsuits, tax forms, and official state notices. Now for this, you can name yourself, a friend, or a family member, but just know that the address that you use goes on public record. So for many new business owners, this is a deal breaker since it usually exposes your home address, which leads to junk mail and can basically destroy your privacy. That's why so many LLC owners prefer a professional registered agent service. Now, personally, my preferred provider that I've used myself is Northwest Registered Agent. They're known for their strong privacy protections, excellent customer support, and straightforward pricing. So if you hire them to help form your LLC, the cost is only $39, which is lower than lots of competitors out there. And get this, you can use their business address on your public filings, which keeps your home address private and cuts down on spam mail. Now, if you want to check them out, you're more than welcome to. Just click right up here to learn more about it. Now, no matter what you decide, you need a registered agent from day one. Otherwise, the state will not approve your Chicago LLC. And forgetting this step is one of the most common sources of delay for first-timers, so don't let it trip you up. All right, so ready to make it official? Up next, I'll walk you through filing your articles of organization to create a Chicago LLC that's actually recognized by the state of Illinois. Filing your articles of organization is the official moment that your Chicago business becomes a legal LLC. You'll submit this form to the Illinois Secretary of State online by mail or in person, with a filing fee of $150 for paper or $154 for an online submission. Expedited processing is also available if you're in a hurry, but expect to pay a premium for that. Your articles of organization, it lays out the essential details for your business. So your LLC's name, exactly as you chose it, the Chicago business address, your appointed registered agent, a brief business purpose, and how your LLC is managed, so either by its members or designated managers that you hire. Now, if you want, you can list a future effective date, but most people just choose the filing date so that the LLC starts immediately. Just make sure you don't skip any required fields, because even a minor mistake here can slow things down. And to be clear, your business isn't officially protected or recognized by the state until this form is accepted. So consider it the must-do step to unlock all the legal perks of having a Chicago LLC. And once your articles are filed and approved, you can celebrate. The Windy City has officially recognized your business. But you're not done yet. Next up here, you'll want an operating agreement to keep things running smoothly, especially as your LLC grows or your partners are added. While Illinois doesn't require an operating agreement, having one is a very smart move for Chicago business owners. Now, this document, it outlines how your LLC is run, covering things like ownership percentages, management structure, how profits and losses are going to be divided up, member voting rights, and how to handle disputes, and the steps for adding or losing members over time. It really gives everyone clarity from the start and helps protect your LLC's legal status if there's ever a big disagreement between members or things like that. If your LLC has multiple owners, clear ground rules, they can save friendships, partnerships, and a lot of money. Even if you're solo, an operating agreement, it shows banks and the courts that you're serious, which helps with opening accounts or proving that your LLC is legitimate down the road. And you may not need a lawyer for a basic agreement either. There are loads of free templates online and several reputable AI-powered platforms that can walk you through creating one step by step. It's smart to at least check those out unless your ownership structure is very complex or you expect unusual situations, in which case you may need a lawyer. But once it is all done, just make sure that everybody in the management team, at your company actually signs it, and then just hang on to it for your records. Now, next up, let's talk about getting your LLC an EIN. So now it's time to set up your LLC's tax identity. So think of an EIN, which is your employer identification number, as your business's social security number. Now, in Chicago, you need an EIN if you have employees, if you have multiple owners, or plan to open a business bank account, file taxes, or apply for local licenses and permits, or even hiring people. It's required for nearly all LLCs, except the rare cases like single-member LLCs with no employees or special tax situations. But getting an EIN, it is free and quick. Just head over to the IRS website, answer a few questions about your LLC, and you can have your EIN within minutes. You'll need basic info like your legal business name, your address, and who's in charge. Banks, vendors, and clients, they often will ask for an EIN before trusting you for official transactions. So this step really builds credibility too. And if online forms aren't your thing, you can still fax or mail in your application, but most business owners, they use the IRS portal for instant results. It's just way quicker and easier. Now, with your EIN in hand, your LLC can finally open business bank accounts, start hiring, and get fully up and running in the city of Chicago. But next up, let's make sure that your new LLC stays compliant with Chicago and Illinois business regulations so that you don't run into trouble down the road. All right, so first up, Illinois requires all LLCs to file an annual report with the Secretary of State. And the $75 fee isn't huge, but missing the deadline means late fees and could put your LLC at risk. Just be sure to mark your calendar for this every single year. Chicago also adds on its own layer. Almost every type of business needs a city business license from the Department of Business Affairs and Consumer Protection, or the BACP. Application fees can run from $125 for home businesses and the simplest types, up to $660 or more for restaurants, retail, or specialized industries. Some fees, like those for liquor sales or amusement licenses, are higher and can climb past $1,000. Most licenses cover 2 years, and you'll need to renew to keep your doors open at that time. And don't forget about local requirements either. So, zoning laws, health department certifications if you serve food, and even signage rules may apply. Make sure that you always check with the BACP or consult the official Business Direct portal to see what extra permits that your business might actually need. Now, for businesses with employees or special licensing needs, The process may involve extra steps and costs as well. So once your LLC is up and running, set reminders for all these renewals and reports so you don't forget anything. Now, the city makes information and consultation available if you're stuck, but truthfully, handling all these details ahead of time is the real secret to keeping your Chicago business safe and legal. Now, let's wrap it up by breaking down exactly what all these steps and staying compliant will actually cost you both at startup and every year after that. Okay, so we'll start with the startup cost. So your first year, the Illinois Articles of Organization filing fee is required, $150 one-time fee paid to the Illinois Secretary of State. Then also required Chicago business license, $250 to $660, depending on the business type, and most fall in that range, but special industries may pay even more. Then we go to the registered agent service. Now this is optional, but it is $39 if you use Northwest Registered Agent, which includes help with actually forming your LLC, and your first year of registered agent service is actually for free. Then a name reservation, which is also optional, $25. This is if you want to reserve your LLC name before filing. And then there's other city permits or inspections. This is if required, depends on the business. This varies, but most small businesses pay little or nothing upfront unless specialized licenses are needed. So for most Chicago LLCs that are going to be using, registered agent and all the other required things, you can expect to pay right around $400 to $800 for all the mandatory expenses in year one, including the business license, the state filing fees, and agent service. From there, let's talk about the ongoing costs. So each year, there's an Illinois annual report that's $75 due on the anniversary of your LLC formation. Then we have the Chicago business license renewal. So this is $250 to $660 biannual. So basically divide that in two, $125 to $330 for most LLCs. Then your registered agent renewal, so that's $125 per year after the first free year with Northwest Registered Agent. Then from there, other permits, amendments, or compliance fees, that really does vary by the business and the industry. So your estimated total ongoing costs each year, plan for about $300 to $600 per year for most business owners. And that covers the mandatory state, city, and registered agent renewals. Specialized licenses or permits, those may increase your yearly fees as well. Now, again, to help with all this, I do advise you to use a service like Northwest Registered Agent, which again, you can click right up here to check out, is they'll really help you stay in compliance year after year while you focus on the most important thing, which is running a profitable business. Now, if you have any questions for me or you're a little bit confused about any of this at all, go ahead and drop me a comment below. I do actually look at those comments and answer them myself, and I'll do my absolute best to help you out as soon as possible. Now, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.